Global Meditation presented by WeAwake Technologies. I'm JD Dupuis, part of the support staff here at WeAwake, also known as John's son, John. I've been part of WeAwake for a little less than a year now, and compared to some of my colleagues, I'm more of a beginning meditator. So I wanted to take this session to help people who maybe aren't as advanced of a meditator, to help them develop a practice. And I found that meditation is a little like exercise for the brain, like working out is exercise for the body. And in that sense, you can't run a long marathon right away. You can't lift the giant weights right away without working your way up. Just like someone who hasn't meditated on the regular can't meditate for long periods of time without working their way up. So, I was at an online conference last week, and they said that people that never meditate, sometimes it's more stressful to try to meditate than not meditating at all. And this is where WeAwake can help. So find your favorite track, like you might find your favorite exercise equipment at the gym, and start out slow. Start with 10 to 20 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week, and go for a couple weeks and look for the benefits that you might experience. And for me, when I meditate, I feel like I can handle stress better. I'm more prepared for my day, and I find a balance in my brain, my head, so to speak. So this next track we're about to do is from our good friend and colleague, Naja Lind. And it's a 20-minute version of B, and it then trains at 9 hertz alpha. So prepare your headphones, and we shall see you on the other side. Thank you, Nadja, for that wonderful soundtrack. And thank you, everyone, for being here. I look forward to our WeAwake Wednesdays for sure. I hope you're all in a good space and you find balance in your life and stay well. To end our session, I wanted to do a couple Rumi quotes for us, starting with, excuse me. Do you know what you are? You are a manuscript of a divine letter. You are a mirror reflecting a noble face. Look in this universe, it's not outside of you. Look inside yourself. Everything that you want, you are already that. And finally, be soulful, be kind, and be in love. Thank everyone for being here, and I hope next week you will be here again with us.